Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Dovu token. Now the Dovu token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, February 28th, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it was just announced that this token will be listed February 28th at 15 hours UTC time on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search DOVU, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, Dovu, introducing Dovu OS, the transformative platform reshaping sustainable project management. Our innovative system is designed to streamline complex sustainability tasks, reducing operational costs and simplifying processes. Seamlessly powered by Dovu tokens for any client, Dovu OS offers transparent, predictable costs in USD, making sustainable project management more accessible and efficient for businesses. So, their webpage is dovu.earth, and then if you want to find the English one, you would go dovu.earth/en for English. So it says, our story, making credits scalable. Facing the challenge of scarce, high-quality ecological credits, we are creating Dovu OS, a toolkit designed for scale and simplicity. It's our answer to the world's demand for a robust, transparent supply of green credits. A platform for all to make change. Dovu OS simplifies the complexity of sustainability. We offer a unified platform for end-to-end management, enabling organizations to focus on what they do best, innovating for the planet. With Dovu OS navigating the ecosystem of registries and methodologies becomes effortless, inviting everyone to take part in the green revolution. In the narrative of Dovu, we are both the authors and facilitators, penning a future where technology meets ecology, where every organization can make a tangible impact, and this is the heart of our story, making sustainability accessible and actionable for all. So they have tons of partners on their page here, and huge list of them there, and they have testimonials from some of these partners. Their team members are doxed on their page there, and you can sign up for a newsletter at the bottom of their page. They also have a Twitter, which is at Dovu Official. I'm going to put that up in the corner of the screen right here. They have a LinkedIn as well. They have a Discord, and they have a YouTube channel. So it says their company is also from Wales. So Dovu OS, streamlining sustainable project management. So Dovu OS is the transformative platform reshaping sustainable project management. Our innovative system is designed for complex sustainability tasks, Seamlessly powered by the Dovu tokens for any client, Dovu OS offers transparent, predictable costs in USD. Stay tuned for our launch of Dovu OS, where managing sustainability becomes as straightforward as it is impactful. Now, they have a case study, and you can review their case study. They also have a section here. It says, Dovu OS introduces an exclusive configuration language, transforming the complexity of sustainability projects into user-friendly models. This innovation allows stakeholders of any skill level to map out comprehensive environmental initiatives with precision and ease. And it says our configuration language is the cornerstone for crafting bespoke sustainability solutions. It's designed for effortless integration across Dovu's OS's suite of tools, allowing you to build and manage applications that meet your unique sustainability challenges with fluidity and ease. Design, run, test, and deploy in the sandbox environment so that you are ready to deploy production. Dovu OS simplifies the onboarding of new credit suppliers for any project. Design your own intuitive dashboard with your unique set of questions set to generate documents. Our AI engine helps you downstream suppliers save time and effort to generate rich, impact-led documentation to streamline your ecological initiatives in a consistent manner. Less time deciphering processes equals more time amplifying impact. So working invisibly in the background to support any client, the Dovu token is the transactional medium of our ecosystem, providing predictable low-cost transactions anchored in USD value. It's the pulse that powers your sustainability journey with Dovu OS. So you can find the token on hashscan.io. And over there, you will see name of the token and ticker symbol are both Dovu. And they have a total supply here of 10 billion tokens, and that is also the initial supply and the max supply. And it says they also have 8 decimal places on this token. And yeah, so this is on the Hedera network. This token, that's one of their partners too, that was on their page here. So Hashgraph is the ledger explorer for the Hedera network, and that's where you can find this token, and you can also find it listed on Mexc Global as of tomorrow. So check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that Mexc Global one. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.